Hello, this is Regis for a short presentation on a new feature in Stratus 4.5, which is the ability to set up Stratus Export rules to export the proxy natively of Stratus. So you don't need to do a transcoding if you wanted to export just a low-res proxy of a clip or multiple clip. So if I'm going to the control panel here, you'll see that I set up basically this rule here in order to be able to export asset into a native proxy format. This is under the Stratus thing here. You see native Stratus proxy format. I can still export custom metadata if I wanted to. I'm going to export it on my NAS here in a folder called web Stratus proxy, and I'm going to send anything that has the metadata sent to web true, but I want to make sure I don't send stuff that's more than 20 minutes just because. So I'm going to save this and I'm going to enable it and apply that only to new assets. And now I'm going to go ahead in Stratus and pick an asset here. This is a basketball game that we've done a few years ago. You can see it here. This is the low resolution I'm looking at, and I'm going to go and send this to the web. I'm going to click send to web. You're going to see the rule is going to be applied. Here it is, and you can see the workflow is starting now. Now the workflow is picking up the task, is looking at the rules, processing it. It's going to start the moving and the copy of the transfer of the proxy file, and now you'll see the proxy file here is starting to be created in this folder. It's 0 kilobyte at this point, and very quick you're going to see that the transfer, it's a 15-minute clip, so it's done. Boom, 15-minute clip already exported into this NAS, and now I'm exporting the custom metadata XML, and it is done as well. So you can see very efficient way to export content out of Stratus that could be used then for different review and approval process if you wanted to email the file, or if you wanted to publish it somewhere, or maybe even publish it to the web if the quality is good enough for the type of web publishing that you want to use. Now this format is the native Stratus proxy format, and you can double click. It's the H.264 proxy created by Scavenge, and it works like a charm. Now you can play it into any player. This is a super cool new feature in Stratus 4.5. Thank you.